Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the conditional statements. Okay, conditional statements means first see block of code. Block of code means a sequence of instructions are called block of code. Python executes code in sequence. Python uh, code will execute it line by line. Okay, that is one proper sequence based on the given condition. Next, what is meant by condition? Here condition means an expression that results either true or false. Okay, one particular condition is there. If it's true, it will print one output. Suppose if it is false, it will print another output. Okay, we will see in practical examples. Okay, now see here, these are example conditions. Here 2 is less than 3. Okay, as well as a is equal to b. Suppose if condition is true, boolean value. Okay, boolean value means true or false. Okay, these are the examples of conditional statements. Next, conditional block is looks like this. See here, one diagram is there. Block of code which executes only a condition is true is called conditional block. Okay, some particular conditional block is there. It will execute like this. Okay, here the first condition is, we will mention like this: if condition one. First, here we will use if is a keyword, and the condition is based on the given problem. Okay, condition, we will prepare the condition based on the given problem. Okay, next line, at end of the condition we will put colon. Okay, at end of the condition we will put colon. Next, in the next line, from corner onwards we will take four spaces. Okay, corner onwards we will take four spaces. Then after, inside of the block of code, we will write the code based on the requirement. Next, it executes only condition is true. If given condition is true, it will execute. Okay, then otherwise it will skip. Okay, next, indentation means, already I told you, right? From corner onwards it will take four spaces. Okay, the spaces in front of the conditional block is called indentation. This is the indentation. Okay, the block of code before, we will leave four spaces like this. See in this diagram, this is the if condition. Down some space is there. Okay, this space is called indentation. Okay, indentation is used to identify conditional block. Okay, here indentation means spacing. Indentation is used to specify conditional block. Okay, yeah, you use it to identify conditional block. Next, the standard practice is used to four spaces for the indentation. Okay, this is the, yeah, indentation. This is the if condition. This is the block of code. Suppose the possible mistakes means, the suppose if you want to print two or more statements, the all statements put in same line. Okay, put in vertical, but with proper and perfect indentation from the corner. Suppose here, see, in here second line, four spaces of input is there, like, but in third line there is more number of lines. This is the wrong. Okay, don't do like this. This print is also, you will keep only four spaces from the corner. Okay, now we will see the examples, friends. Okay, suppose for an example. Okay, for an example, see, here I am taking one number. Okay, here I am taking one number. That number is 4. Okay, that number is 4. Here, see, the condition means, okay, condition is if. Okay, first keep is if. Here I am, what condition I am writing means, uh, if the given number is even number or not. Okay, given number is even or not, I am checking. The num percentile to is equal 0. Okay, the num percentile to is equal 0. That means print even number. Suppose if it's a even number. Okay, suppose if it's a even number, then keep like this. Okay, the given number is a even number or not. That means, here what happened? First, here what I said, if num percentile 2 is equal to 0 means, how we are checking? That means, here number 4. Okay, number 4 divided by 2. Okay, 4 divided by 2, the remainder what will come? 0 will come. Okay, when a number, okay, when a number is said to be even means the number is divided by 2, the remainder will becomes 0, it's a even number. Okay, then otherwise it's a odd number. Suppose remainder 0 is there means, okay, a number is divided with 2, the remainder becomes 0, that number is said to be even number. Suppose the remainder will come 1, that number is said to be odd number. Okay, see here num percentile 2, this is the if condition. Okay, this is the if condition. I hope you understand, friends. Okay, this is very simple if condition. Okay, next, yeah, in next video we will see some examples. Okay, thank you so much, friends.